we've got what I think is fuel cylinder. I went ahead and wrapped most of this. We've got side markers and stuff like that, and this is the passenger side harness. I just wrapped this kind of chicken foot split, and then I gave it some bands here, and then I think this is license plate lights that we have. I think I'm gonna go back next time I come here. I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap all this. Maybe leave a little bit exposed. I don't know, maybe I should wait. Again, we got, so that's the middle there, goes off. We got some more side markers, the common ground, and the driver's side tail light. And we got this goofy plastic. And then I started wrapping again here. I don't know what this is. This might be defroster, I think. I have to figure that out. I haven't wrapped it. I'm gonna leave it, I think, as is. It's pretty coated in whatever this paint is, but that should be fine. I left a little window right here, which I can always go back and fix. And then I started wrapping all this. I wrapped it as opposed to not wrapping this because it was covered in that Pour 15 garbage. I don't know what it was, but it was not coming off with thinner. I was kind of having to pick it off with my fingers. My fingers definitely don't feel good now. So then we've got whatever this is. It's a group of 3 wires. It's brown blue with a blue stripe, a white stripe, and I think it's 2 white stripes. 2 white stripes and a blue stripe, brown. One's got a connector. It looks like it has been snipped at some point. So I gotta figure out what this is. I'm thinking maybe this is like the seatbelt lock, like that annoying stuff. So I might be able to snip this out, in which case I'll just cut and then just leave it wrapped. And again, I've got it all wrapped up here. And then I think this is reverse lights because it's kind of gross. This is a light blue wire and then a gray wire with purple stripe. So that comes back, and then I've got it wrapped all the way up until this jumble of harness. And we've got a bunch of relays, some wires, another relay, this big block. We got our wish-wash guy right here. That looks pretty good. We've got these terminals that I don't know what these go to. I mean, I'm not a later car. These don't exist in early stuff, of course. And then I think we got some switch gear. This goes to the, of course, the speedometer. Thinking that's the hazard switch. Maybe it's the what do you call it? Maybe it's the ignition switch. I don't know. I'm hoping it's ignition switch because I don't see anything that goes to the ignition switch in here. But definitely that's I think like a turn signal. We've got wipers or vice versa. Some ground kind of stuff, whatever that guy is. And then kind of coming back out. I think this is getting into the cabin because I think this is the wipers. That's the wiper motor, if I remember right. And then I don't have anything else. I've got like a couple wires, but I don't have headlight or turn signal wiring in this, unless all that goes to some kind of relay that plugs in here, which is what I'm thinking it has to happen, is it goes to a relay and it plugs in there, it's plugging in there, and there's like a engine side harness that just isn't here. So we're in business.